I've been in the teaching training program at Cimarron-Memorial for 3 years now. I definitely think it's helped a lot getting to know what it's like, what to do in certain situations, how to help children who, for example, are disabled or have other learning disabilities and things as such. And I definitely think that teachers are a great help to society, and they help in kids how to learn and stuff. So I definitely think that it has given me an insight and given me an idea, and especially coming on trips as these, how if I'm going to be a teacher, it gives me an idea what I'm going to do.
I do want to become a teacher, especially in an elementary school environment. So being in an elementary school environment with teachers who have done this for a while and with actual students to see how it is, it's really a fun experience, and it's nice to see how it's going to be like teaching a kindergarten or a 5th grade class.
I like getting to know the kids, getting to know the workplace, the energy of what it is being in a school, job shadowing the teachers and learning from them.
Going in today, I kind of honestly just thought I'd be with one teacher the whole day, just just watching, seeing what teachers do, what skills they use. So kind of more than I expected, which I like because I get more in experience for when I actually become a teacher.
Down and around. That's beautiful. Do it again. Go down.